Hello sir, welcome to Lake Cebu and that's your view. I'm Tito Romano, your tandem pilot. Okay, and sir, pakisabi yung buong pangalan at lugar.
My name is Mardeep Singh from Tacloban City, belonging from India.
Okay, prepare for take off. Adventure, okay? Okay. Lakad lang ha, pag sabi kong lakad, lakad. Huwag pigilan sir ha. Sabing takbo, takbo. Huwag pigilan yung takbo sir ha.
Sige, sige.
Kanap yun. Lakad na mabilis, mabilis.
Walk fast, walk fast, walk fast, walk fast, sir. Walk fast, don't look back. Run fast, run, run.
Okay na. Okay. Turn into the camera.
Yeah.
Your right, left hand, pasok dito sir. Your right hand, pasok.
Ngayon, sitting okay or walking?
Itulak yung upuan, pahalo. Go inside it sir, tulak.
Huh?
Okay, straight. Yeah, you're seated good. Kuya,
Yeah.
push your chair. Lapas mo lang yung gano'n kaya oh. Ayusin mo lang mo. Yan, yan, ayos lang. Ayun, you're good. Oh, hawak dito. Hawakan yung kanan. Stretch. Ano yung kamay? Yan. We're flying. And cross your leg. Okay na. Huwag na igalaw. Yan.
Close.
We're flying man.
Yeah.
We're 3,300 feet above sea level. Yan. Kuya, i-cross lang yung leg. Relax.
Yes.
Excellent. Like nasa bahay. Yun o!
Nothing to worry because I am with the experience pilot.
Yes sir!
So that is a very good experience until now.
Yes. Salamat sa tiwala sir.
Thank you pilot for sa safe ride.
Yes sir. Kailangan lang tiwala. Then, yes.
That's my dream ride also.
So guys, ito yung view ni sir oh. Yeah, the view. Very nice. We're 3,300 feet above sea level. With a paragliding, meaning we fly without engine.
Yeah.
We need to foot launch, run.
Yeah.
Kuya is barefooted kasi mahuhulog yung slippers niya. No worries kasi ano, sa ilalim ano din grass. It's not no rocks. Soil. Yan, kuya pakihawak. Yan, stretch. Yan, smile.
Yeah.
Yan, enjoy. This is the whole Lake Cebu.
Yeah.
Ang buhos nitong tubig na to sa 7 falls, sa zipline.
Galing
Papunta zipline. Kuya, listen to me ha. Pag sabi ko, kuya, prepare for landing, ganito yung gawin sa paa. Practice,
Taas?
speed up. Sige daw. Yun, taas pa. Yan, ganun lang mamaya ha.
Yeah.
Later. Okay, now cross muna. Yan, nice. You can lower the yan, para makita yung yan. You can transfer the camera on the right hand, kuya. Yeah, nice. Nice one. Nice.
Very nice. That's very good experience.
Good. Slowly look left. Doon tayo galing, kuya. It's far away, man.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. My other brothers, they will ask me. They are scared. Takot sila.
This is the whole Lake Cebu. Okay, pause muna tayo. Triple check. Ayun, kuya, pakihawak. Ayun po. Say hi to friends. Baka ayaw nilang maniwala na ikaw yan, kuya. Baka sabihan nila fake yan. Baka sabihan nila na Photoshop.
Yeah.
Totoo to ha, si kuya to.
But that's real.
This is real flying, man. Tahimik lang kasi walang engine. Nature lang pare. Yan, nice one kuya. Pag mapagod yung kanan, lipat sa kaliwa ha. Yes, come on sa video dyan. Enjoy the view. You deserve this man. Layo pa naman ng binahin nyo.
Very nice, kuya. That's amazing.
7 kilometers kuya.
Sa
Take off, going to the landing.
landing.
Yes.
Okay. We looking there is like very near, but it's very far.
Smart. Yeah. Ano lang siya sa mata. Shoulder. Wait, honey, hold, wait. Ready, wait. Comfortable ko yan?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yan, yung mga bahay-bahay oh. Yun ang landing zone kuya, yung blue natin. The blue roof. Kita mo yung parang may mga flag? Yeah, that's the landing zone. Yung mga yung friend mo nandun. He's waiting for you. And wag kang maingay, medyo matagal yung lipad natin ngayon. Yeah, you enjoy. Yung ground speed natin kuya, nasa 40 kilometers per hour lang. Mabagal.
Ground speed.
Yeah, the ground speed. If you are on the ground now, around 40 kilometers. You know, you see it's slow, no? Mabagal lang yung lipad natin, no?
So I will walk there or just pass my paw.
Sit up later.
Wow.
We'll just skid on the grass, ha? Okay, camera, medyo matagal na. Off muna natin. Special to na flight pa rin.
Wow.
Sit straight, sir. Sit straight. Cross your leg. Nice. Cross your leg. Very good. Yan, lipat. Hawak naman yung kaliwa. Nice one, sir. Okay. Gentle lang, no? Relaxing ba? Okay ba?
Yeah.
No?
Okay, relax.
Challenge yung mag-take off kasi
Yeah.
akala natin mahulog, no? Lulutang lang pala eh.
I know adventure in life.
Salamat kuya. Salamat for the trust kuya. This is adventure kuya.
I already give him opportunity for a experienced pilot, but
Kuya, he is eaten by fear.
he is scared.
Kinain siya ng takot. Don't let fear eat you up.
They not accept challenges.
Accept it. Yes,
Yeah.
grace. Alam ko, nagdadalawang isip ka pero tinuloy mo pa rin. Di ba?
Ako
Kasi ano ka?
Turo-turo. So, paano ka fly? Ano instruction
Oo.
sa'yo? Pero ayaw niya daw. Sabi niya hindi kaya kasi yung sakit puso niya.
Titoy Romano, yung piloto. Salamat sa tiwala kuya. So lapag tayo ha. So dyan tayo lalapag. Sabi kong taas yung paa, taas na kuya ha.
Opo.
Camera will be like this, hands will be here, okay? Descending. Very nice ha.
Yeah. Yes.
Dyan tayo lalapag kuya. Sa gitna. The green grass, okay? Descending. At dyan, tinatansya ko lang yung pasok tayo. Right? Right? Pick it up. Pick it up kuya. Taas ang pa. Taas lang. Taas talaga. Tayo. Tayo, lakad. Tayo.
Tayo.
Perfect. Tayo. Iko sa kaliwa. Kaliwa. Turn left. Perfect landing kuya. Perfect!
Yeah.
I was letting you land by your, di ba, sa paa, tataas, pero nakita ko athletic ka pare, so
Oh, man, thank you.
salamat kuya. You did a perfect landing and more power to you. You conquered
Thank you
it.
so much for a safe landing
And
safe takeoff.
thank you sa Edel, Kyle, Timayan, Junjun, Troy. And
That's my. It's a very good experience.
yes kuya.
So, yeah. Thank you
Salamat.
so much.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.